Abaca Baler rice straw or waste paper baling machine. An Abaca baling press machine is a mechanical device used to compress and package loose materials into tight bundles or bales for storage, transport, and manageability. Baling press machine has 80% save space and 200% increase efficiency. High-quality thick steel plate with gas-shielded welding sturdy frame, advanced mechanical design makes the equipment durable. Abaca balers can be semi-automatic and have a packing speed of up to 400 kilograms per hour. For inquiry, please visit Green Valley Machineries.